Alright, so here we are at the Ferrari Maserati car show. Whoop, let's see here. What are you doing? Oh, you gonna open the hood? The what? Oh, it's in the glove box. I'll open it for you. Very distinctive, very unusual color. Let me get out of the way here. I can honestly say I've never seen one this color before. Very unusual. There you go, there's your M3. Thank you. We're joined this morning with, or rather we're joined by, is that the correct grammar?
I think so.
Either way, here we are with Miss Holly Murphy, joining us to look at all these super fabulous cars, including this fabulous Dodge Challenger convertible, and then this crazy lowrider Cadillac. Very good. Now tell me, is this your car?
Yes, sir.
I am both frightened and impressed by it. It is very cool.
Thank you, sir.
Is that a 63?
66.
66? Oh, okay. That is cool.
Thank you.
Look at this. Very nicely done. Tell us your name. Are you a famous person?
No, sir. Just Adam.
Adam. So what's the story? Did you buy it this way, or did you do some work yourself?
Yeah, I bought it from a guy in Texas that had a shop. He had to sell his shop and was getting a divorce or something.
Right.
So he was just like, I'll take whatever you'll give.
Here's a fun example here. Here's the Viper V10 TA version. Super fabulous. And then right next door is a little tiny Fiat 4-cylinder. That's fun. Probably 500 cc's. That's probably 7,000 cc's. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness, it's 2 cylinders. Just 2. Oh, that's incredible. All right, so here we have a model year 2018 488 Spider. Suggested price of $336,000. I guess the roof is removable. Very nice, very elegant, very fast, as one would expect. I love these taillight design. Very, very cool. It's separate from the trunk lid. The trunk lid opens. Very interesting, as you can see. 2015 Ducati Diavel Carbon. I think that means black. And Diavel, I believe, is devil. This is the devil motorcycle. Very impressive. Very fast. Very rare. Here with all of his Italian buddies. This is obviously a different type of Ducati. Very interesting. The exhaust system is integrated down into the bodywork. It exits down here. Very cool. There's a very advanced simulator over here. You can wave again. I was not recording when you waved at me.
Oh, hi. AV Excellence. Right
AV
here.
Excellence indeed.
Yeah. Giving away the ultimate man cave basket with a bottle of whiskey.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Thank you.
There it is. It worked. But normally it doesn't work. GoPro stopped recording. But here we go. This probably is the least expensive car, least expensive Ferrari, I should say. 1983 GTS. Sorry, I should say 308 GTS. $79,000. Very nice. Classic Ferrari design, mid-engine. Very clean inside, very nice. I wonder if you can see or not. There you go. Here we are in the Maserati showroom. Got a nice big video display. Gran Turismo Cabriolet. Very nice. Looks like the suggested price is $163,000. Not so bad. A lot of cool details there. Boy, that display screen is much larger than I've seen in the past. And cup holders, yay! And then here's the special boutique area where you select the leathers and the colors and wheels and so forth. Very cool. Here's the Levante SUV. This particular model is called the Grand Sport, which is their high-performance version. Higher performance, I guess. Very nice. Striking oxblood interior. Here's another Gran Turismo. This is the regular coupe. Looks like a very dark gray, almost black, with a ivory creamy interior. $143,000. Some fun little accessories. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe this one is called the Superfast. Do you know what model this one's called?
I think you nailed it.
It is the Superfast. Very, very distinctive. I'm speaking to my GoPro, so you may be recorded at this time. Very impressive. I don't even know what those sensors are up front. Probably some sort of crazy spin sensor. Excuse me. Big giant carbon fiber brakes, of course. See if I can get back and get a overview. Of course, a lot of people would say it looks like a Corvette, and then the Ferrari people would say no, Corvettes look like Superfasts. And then next door, I'm not sure what this is. I was going to call it a California. I think it is. It's a 4-seat convertible, so I'm pretty sure it is called the California Spider. Portofino. Very nice. It's a retractable hardtop. Here's a fun little race car, a Radical. Very, very fast. Very lightweight. Very high horsepower to weight ratio. Nice aerodynamics. I can't imagine how fast that rascal is. And here's a cool little racing cart. Very nice.
One of the most unique car tracks in the world.
Very nice. There's a fun old, I think it's a Citroen. I always forget what they're called. 2CV2, I forget. Often overtaken, never surpassed. That's fun. I love this roof. Very nice.
That's hysterical.
seats have the special mesh, little rubber springs, for lack of a better word. Very cool. Of course, he's got his dragon tail decal. Then up in the mountains, curving. And here's sort of an overview of the entire showroom. We're now in the Ferrari showroom. It's somewhat empty in that some of the cars are already outside. Cars inside are super groovy. Can't even look at the car. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it.
Well, did you hear what this one is?
It's a Ferrari, I think.
It's Ferris Bueller's car from the movie.
Oh, well, that's fun.
It's $3 million. So yes, don't touch it.
Well, there you go. GoPro stop. All right, we got the obligatory beanbag toss. I got to come back here to the super fast. Very special car. Uh-oh. Oh, so loud. Looks like a little Sheltie dog. Hello. Look at the wind deflector. It's got some sort of artwork airbrushed on there. That's kind of cool. Well, believe it or not, that is the same engine block that's in the Maserati Grand Sport. Honest to gosh, it really is. Uh-oh, there goes another one. Ooh! Going fast. Let's see if I can get up in there. Now, obviously the intake is different and it's tuned for much more horsepower. I would guess this is 450 horsepower, whereas the Maserati is right at 400. All right then, it's been a fun day. GoPro stop. Well, back over here in the corner, the only Grand Sport, not to be confused with Grand Sport, sitting over here. A couple of lookers there. Got the hood open, showing off my super fabulous valve cover gaskets that I'm so proud of. Uh-oh, somebody's put a business card here. Detail shop. This vehicle needs to be detailed. Go Dogs. All right, time to relax in the cool comfort of the Maserati lounge. Joining my people here. What's up? Maybe watch some soccer or football. All right, here we go. The Fiat 500 Abarth edition. It's all sporty and fancy. I'm not sure what motor it has or what the details are, but it's all ready for rock and roll. Next door is a Superbird. You rarely see these rascals anymore. Very dramatic rear wing. Don't be stepping away. Wave to the camera. Come on now.
Hi.
Hello. Creepy old guy videotaping young girls. That's not right. Here again, overview. Almost like a drone. Look at this Lexus, all tricked out with the fancy hood and the bulging tires. I'm not familiar with those. Very unique, unlike anything I've ever seen before. Nice old Cadillac convertible there. Oh, there we go. I overlooked that Ferrari FF four-wheel drive, four-seater. Essentially a sport wagon for the Ferrari group.
Oh yeah, well this is after trying everything out.
There we go.
Chisel, hammers,
V12, 650 horsepower. Nice back seat there. Nice front seat. Very good.